Detoxification Mudra is a hand gesture that clears the mind and the body's energy channels of habitual patterns and negative energy. Whatever you would like to come into your life, focus your thoughts and intentions on it. This mudra has been shown to be effective in treating constipation, bloating, piles, vomiting, hiccups, restlessness, and anuria, the absence or cessation of urinating. It also lowers blood pressure and eases menstruation pain. Moreover, the mudra helps to regulate the function of the liver. To reiterate, getting enough sleep and drinking lots of water are essential to help your body flush out all the toxins during detoxification because it can be stressful for both the body and the mind. This mudra can expedite the cleansing therapy you should practice at least once a day, which is meditation or yoga. Actions. Times: find a quiet place free from distractions and either lie down, sit, or stand. Times: press the tips of your thumbs against the inside of the ring finger's lower joint on both hands. Advantages. 1. Body purification. Removes contaminants from the body to help with detoxification. 2. Emotional variations diminishment. Lessens the impact of recollections. 3. Breaking bad habits. Helps get rid of negative behavioral patterns. 4. Fear confrontation. Promotes relief from unconfrontation with fear. 5. Combat negative traits. Assists in overcoming and combating negative traits. 6. Release of bad energies. Clears the body and mind of bad energies. 7. Holistic purity. Encourages spiritual, mental, and bodily purity. 8. Elemental harmony. Deals with issues related to the element of earth. 9. Body cleansing. Removes undesirable waste products from the body to cleanse it. 10. Toxin elimination. Helps to improve general health by eliminating toxins from the body as a whole. 11. Mind and body detox. Serves as a body and mind detoxifying agent. 12. Elimination of free radicals. Eliminates undesirable free radicals from the body.